Anker Zolo Power Bank 20,000 ZO, built-in USB-C and Lightning cable. The plastic is prone to minor scratches, especially the glossy parts. The small LED display is really helpful to see how much battery is remaining on the portable charger. Simultaneous charging can power up to 4 devices at once using the built-in cables plus the extra ports, but I've only ever charged 2 devices at once. The built-in cables are really convenient since I don't have to worry about if I brought any cables to charge my phone. It's noticeably heavy and thicker than smaller capacity battery packs. Feels pretty strong, but I wouldn't trust it while using it on a backpack or something to hang on to. Would I recommend it? It's a good choice for someone who doesn't want to carry extra wires with them and the convenience of having them already connected to the battery, so why not?